Okay, in this video tutorial, I will show you how to set up VirtualBox. First, you need to go to this website, virtualbox.org. Let me show you the link here. VirtualBox. Okay. You need to download this version. Download the latest one, whether it is a Windows platform or a Macintosh platform. Okay. As soon as you download this one, you need to download the second one, which is the VirtualBox extension pack. Okay. This is like a service pack, okay, to make the VirtualBox runs smoothly. Okay. After that, you need to know the concept of VirtualBox. You need to set up two things here. First is the NAT, so your VMs, virtual machines, can have the internet access. And two is virtual host only, where you assign a static IP. So here is your host PC. You enable the NAT and also you enable the virtual host only. Okay. Let's say that you assign this virtual host 192.168.1.1. Okay. If you successfully install VirtualBox, you will see this one. Make sure that when you open this, run as an administrator. Here, if I minimize this, if I right click, you run as an administrator. Okay. Then you follow the instruction, create new, you install the VirtualBox. Okay. After that, you need to configure the VirtualBox with the NAT and virtual host. How do you do that? Well, you need to go to File, Preference, okay, and then on the network, you click NAT, you check this NAT, and then Edit. Okay. Let's say that you want to give this IP address the NAT 192.168.2.0. Okay, so your NAT is in the .2 network. Okay, that way your VM machine can get the internet. Okay. And then for the host only network, you add this and then make sure you put this IP address 192.168.1.1. So the second virtual host, which is the second adapter, I will have this IP address in the .1 network. Okay. DHCP, I enable it, I uncheck this so that the VM will not get an IP address from this. So here, let me repeat again. On the File, Preferences, go to the network, you set the NAT so your VM can have the IP address in the .2 network, and then on the host only network, which is this one, 192.168.1 network. Okay, so that host, my host PC will have this .1 network. Later on, I can create a VM which is in the same subnet, which is .1 subnet. So my VM, let's say that I assign this VM 192.168.1.10. So this VM is in the same subnet as virtual host, so they can communicate. Okay. If you look at on the setting here, network, see this NAT and network adapter, you get this IP address from what we assign. Okay, so let me pause this. So now you know how to set up the VM. Basically, you set up two adapters. One is the NAT and the other one is virtual host. Make sure that virtual host, you're gonna set up the same subnet for the VM, so this VM can communicate with that. This NAT allow you to have the internet. The second part of the video is talking about the asterisk. I want to show you how to download the asterisk. You click here and then go to asterisk.org and download this one, Asterisk Now Software PBX. Download the 64 bits. Okay, maybe this takes about half an hour depending on your internet speed. Once you have that, you need to install it in the VirtualBox. You go to New, right? And then you put this asterisk now, and then you choose this Linux, and then you follow this one is what? The next, this one I believe is Linux 2.6. So you choose this and follow the instruction next. So that is basically the information about installing and setting up VirtualBox. And the second part of the video is talking about downloading the Asterisk, which is the IP PBX but is a Linux versions. Thank you for watching. We hope that this video is informative to you.